Number 1. Close grip bench press. The close grip bench press is one of the most effective compound exercises for building stronger, thicker triceps. Unlike a traditional bench press that focuses more on the chest, bringing your hands closer together shifts much of the workload to the triceps while still engaging the chest and shoulders. This exercise is ideal for increasing upper body pressing strength and adding noticeable muscle mass to the back of your arms. To perform the movement correctly, lie flat on a bench with your feet firmly planted on the floor. Grip the barbell with your hands approximately shoulder-width apart. Unrack the bar and slowly lower it toward the middle of your chest while keeping your elbows close to your body. Once the bar lightly touches your chest, press it back up until your arms are fully extended, squeezing your triceps at the top of the movement. Avoid flaring your elbows excessively, as this can reduce triceps activation and increase shoulder stress. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions using a weight that challenges you while maintaining perfect form. Rest for about 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Beginners should start with lighter weights or even an empty bar before gradually increasing resistance. For the best results, perform the close grip bench press once or twice each week as part of a balanced upper body workout. Combine it with proper nutrition, adequate protein intake, and sufficient recovery. Over time, you'll develop stronger triceps, improve your bench press performance, and achieve more defined, powerful-looking arms. Number 2. Triceps dips. Triceps dips are one of the best bodyweight exercises for developing stronger, more defined triceps. This classic movement targets all 3 heads of the triceps while also engaging the shoulders and chest. Whether performed on parallel bars, dip stations, or even a sturdy bench, dips help improve upper body strength, muscle endurance, and overall arm size. To perform a proper triceps dip, grasp the parallel bars with both hands and lift yourself until your arms are fully extended. Keep your body upright and your elbows tucked close to your sides. Slowly lower yourself by bending your elbows until your upper arms are approximately parallel to the floor. Pause briefly, then press yourself back up by extending your elbows and squeezing your triceps at the top. Avoid leaning too far forward as that shifts more emphasis to the chest instead of the triceps. Control the movement throughout the entire range of motion instead of dropping quickly. If you're a beginner, use an assisted dip machine or resistance bands for support until you build enough strength. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 15 repetitions depending on your fitness level. As you become stronger, add a weighted belt or hold a dumbbell between your legs for additional resistance. Consistent triceps dips can significantly increase arm strength and muscle definition while improving performance in pressing exercises like bench presses and push-ups. Combined with proper recovery and progressive overload, this exercise can become one of the most valuable additions to any triceps training program. Number 3. Overhead dumbbell triceps extension. The overhead dumbbell triceps extension is an outstanding isolation exercise that emphasizes the long head of the triceps, which contributes greatly to overall arm size and strength. Since the arms remain overhead during the movement, the long head is stretched under tension, promoting excellent muscle growth and improved flexibility. Begin by standing or sitting on a bench while holding a dumbbell with both hands. Lift the dumbbell directly above your head with your arms fully extended. Keep your elbows pointing forward and close to your ears throughout the movement. Slowly lower the dumbbell behind your head by bending only your elbows. Continue until you feel a comfortable stretch in your triceps, then press the weight back to the starting position while squeezing your triceps at the top. Avoid allowing your elbows to flare outward or using excessive momentum to lift the weight. Focus on slow, controlled repetitions and maintain a stable core to protect your lower back. Complete 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions using a weight that allows you to maintain proper technique. Beginners should prioritize form before increasing resistance. Adding this exercise to your weekly routine can improve arm symmetry, increase pressing power, and help develop fuller-looking triceps. Pair it with compound movements like close grip bench presses and dips for maximum muscle development. Consistency, progressive overload, and proper recovery will lead to stronger, larger, and more defined triceps over time. Number 4. Cable triceps pushdown. The cable triceps pushdown is one of the most popular and effective isolation exercises for strengthening the triceps. Using a cable machine provides constant tension throughout the entire movement, making it excellent for improving muscle definition, endurance, and overall arm strength. It's suitable for beginners and advanced lifters alike because resistance can easily be adjusted. Stand facing a cable machine with a straight bar, rope, or V-bar attachment. Grip the handle firmly with your elbows tucked against your sides and your forearms parallel to the floor. Without moving your upper arms, push the handle downward until your elbows are fully extended. Squeeze your triceps for 1 second before slowly returning the handle to the starting position under control. Avoid swinging your body, leaning excessively, or allowing your elbows to drift forward. Keeping strict form ensures maximum triceps activation while reducing injury risk. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Focus on controlled movement rather than lifting heavy weights too soon. As your strength improves, gradually increase the resistance while maintaining proper technique. The cable triceps pushdown is especially effective as a finishing exercise after heavier compound lifts. It enhances muscle definition, improves elbow stability, and contributes to stronger pushing performance in exercises such as bench presses, shoulder presses, and push-ups. Including this movement regularly in your workout routine will help create well-developed, balanced triceps and noticeable upper arm definition. Number 5. Diamond push-ups. Diamond push-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises for strengthening the triceps without requiring any gym equipment. By placing your hands close together beneath your chest, this variation increases triceps activation compared to standard push-ups while also engaging the chest, shoulders, and core muscles. Start in a high plank position with your hands forming a diamond shape by touching your thumbs and index fingers together. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, tighten your core, and maintain a neutral spine. Slowly lower your chest toward your hands by bending your elbows while keeping them close to your body. Once your chest is just above your hands, push yourself back up until your arms are fully extended. Avoid allowing your hips to sag or your elbows to flare outward. Move slowly and maintain complete control throughout every repetition. If the exercise is too difficult, perform it from your knees until you build sufficient strength. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 15 repetitions. As your endurance improves, increase the number of repetitions or slow down the lowering phase to create more muscle tension. Diamond push-ups are excellent for building stronger triceps, improving muscular endurance, and increasing upper body stability. They can be performed almost anywhere, making them perfect for home workouts or travel. When combined with progressive training, proper nutrition, and adequate recovery, this exercise helps develop powerful, well-defined triceps that improve both athletic performance and everyday functional strength.